Have you ever had sex on the beach, huh? I know some of you did. These are sex on the beach popsicles. By the way, do not have sex on the beach in Florida, okay? Because I had 2 friends that did that and now they registered sex offenders, okay? Seriously. All right, that's frozen pineapple. That's kind of a weird way to start a video, right? Okay, I'm just saying they got drunk, messed around on the beach, and then all of a sudden, some old lady called the police, and now they have to, it was a dude and his girlfriend. They wasn't even really naked. They was doing it through the clothes. Just Google sex on the beach in Florida and you'll see the story, okay? I don't really know them. I know someone who knows it's a long... Anyway, let's get back to the popsicles, okay? That's frozen raspberries that we blend with some cranberry juice. Come back with the original layer, stick that in the freezer, let it harden. I'm just saying, if you can have sex, don't do the damn thing in Florida, okay? Nobody should be born in Florida because it's kind of damn dangerous. They real sensitive about sex down there, okay? All right. And there you have it. Sex on the beach popsicles. This is a weird conversation for us to go with it. I'm just saying though, but you just don't have sex in Florida. I've been in Florida, okay? And I was with a girl. I could have had sex, but I was scared. I'm not gonna do that in this sunshine state. Okay, it's dangerous.